I can show you how to make kids educational cartoon for free. You see this one you are seeing on the screen? I made it with free tool, free of charge, and yes, it came out nice. You can attest to that. This looks so good. So if you stick with me to the end of this video, you are going to learn how to make something like this or even something better than this, okay? You see all those lengthy YouTube kids videos like Coco Melon, Miss Rachel and the likes. You can make it by yourself. Whether you want to start using it for your content on YouTube, whether you want to make it at home for your kids, or you just want to make it for yourself for entertainment purposes, you are going to learn how to do it in this video with free tools. First of all, you have to learn how to get your prompt, your image prompt, your video prompt, the camera angles, the sound, the music and all that. So if you're interested, stick with me to the end of this video because you're going to love it. You can make them be in a playground, you can make them be in a classroom or at home doing whatever thing you want them to do, okay? So come with me, let me show you how you can do it in less than 2 minutes. So guys, to create this video you will be needing about 3 apps plus ChatGPT. You know, no matter the app you use, ChatGPT is going to help you out, okay? So first of all, I went to ChatGPT so that I can get the image prompt, the video prompt, the camera angles, the sound and the music, okay? So I told ChatGPT that I want to create a 3D Pixar video of preschool kids learning their alphabet, maybe in a playground. Your own can be in their house, in a playground, inside their classroom or field, anywhere that you want them to be. You tell ChatGPT to do that for you. Or if you don't have the idea, you can just ask it that you just want to create a video of preschool kids learning, playing, running, whatever, singing, okay? So that's what I told it. I asked it to give me the image. I just need everything once and for all. You can just get the image prompt, come back for the video, for the camera angles, but I just said give me the image prompt, give me the video prompt, give me the camera angles, the sound, the music and every other necessary things, okay? That's what I told ChatGPT, and here is the everything that it gave me is here, okay? I also went further to tell it how many scenes I want it to be and how many seconds each scene should be. So I just want to create from A to E for the purpose of this tutorial, and each scene should not be more than 10 seconds, okay? So this is the answer that ChatGPT gave me. So I'm going to copy this. I'm going to copy all this, the prompt, the camera angle, everything. I'm going to copy all of them and then go to my notes. I'm going to copy, then go to my notes and paste it on my notes so that I will be able to edit it, okay? It is important that when ChatGPT gives you prompt, whatever video, whether you are creating a story or anything, always try to edit it because this all this AI, they can be funny. They might just give like 2 people the same prompt. You never can tell. So it is important that you edit your own prompt. So I'm just going to give this note a topic so that I'll be able to remember it. Okay, so here is the prompt that it gave me. I'm going to start first of all with the image prompt because that's the first thing that I need to get my image first. So I'm going to just make a little edit here, just something like it. You don't really need to do much edit. Maybe where it said red, you can just put blue. Where it said green, you can just put yellow. And once you edit your image prompt, make sure to edit your video prompt, okay? Because it gives you a video prompt that corresponds to the image prompt of that particular scene, okay? So after editing your image prompt, make sure that you edit your video prompt so that when you get the image, the AI will not be confused when you are trying to get the video too, okay? So I just made a little edit on my image prompt. So I'm going to copy the image, then go to my favorite image generator, which is Flow, Google Labs. I'm going to go there, then choose the aspect ratio that I want. I just need Google Labs. It usually generates, I think, about four images, sometimes 2, depending on what you select. But I don't need a lot of images. I just need one because I know it's going to get it perfect. So I just choose the one and then choose the aspect ratio that I want, and then wait for the image to generate. So this is the image. It takes about just about 10 to 20 seconds. This is the image. I'm going to long press on it to download it. That is, if you don't want to animate it on this particular site, you have to download the image. Okay, so I just long pressed, double click on download so that I can download the image. Then I'm going to go back to my notes and copy the second image prompt, for letter B. I'm going to copy it. If you want to make any edit, you can just do it now, then copy it. Then I'll go back to Google Flow. And then one thing with the Google Flow is that it can maintain consistency for Africa. Like, I just love its consistency. So I'm going to long press on the letter A to click on add to prompt so that it can help me maintain consistency. I'll click on add to prompt. Immediately you see it there. Then you paste your prompt for the letter B and click on go so that it can generate exactly the same image as letter A, using the same characters, the same prompt, the same everything is going to be the same. Always remember to click on add to prompt. That's the first image. If you are creating the same story, you want to use the same character, you want to everything to be the same, always remember to add the first image to the prompt so that you can maintain consistency. You can still maintain consistency if you don't add it, but it helps to maintain consistency. So this is my letter B. You can see that all the characters and everything is the same. So I'm going to long press, click on download so that I can download it. Okay, then go back and copy the image prompt for letter C. Do the same thing, copy image prompts for letter D and E, and also do the same thing. Then we can come back to animate them. You see, I have gotten all my alphabets from letter A to letter E, just 5 alphabets. Okay, so I just saved the last letter, which is letter E. I just long press and click on download so that I can save it to my gallery just for future use. Okay, if you are still using Google Flow for your image generator, you don't need to download the images because you can just animate directly. Okay, but if you are using a different app to generate your videos, let's say something like Grok or Veo 3 or any other one, you need to download these images from Google Flow or from wherever you generated them from, so that you can find it in your gallery or in your files. All right, so this is the video prompt for the first image, which is letter A. Remember, I told you that if you've made changes to your image prompt, also remember to make changes to your video prompt. Okay, so that's what I'm doing here. You know, I made a little changes to my letter A just to show you an example. So I did the same thing in my video prompt of letter A, and then I'm going to copy everything, the video prompt, the camera angles, the narration, the sound effect, and everything about that video prompt. I'm going to copy it, then come back to Google Flow because I want to animate it here. Long press on that particular letter, which is letter A. Long press on that particular letter, which is letter A, then click on animate. You double tap on animate. Okay, so it's going to add the image into that prompt. Then you have to click here so that you can make some changes. Choose the aspect ratio you want and every other thing. Click on video, choose the frame, the aspect ratio, the particular one that you want to use. Then you click OK, and then come back and paste your prompt. Okay, once you paste your prompt the way it is here, you then click on go so that you can generate the video. You click on that arrow that is send so that the video can generate. So the video is going to take about a minute or thereabout, depending on your network, to generate. This is the video that we have. Let's play it and see.
A is for apple. Apple. A is.
Guys, this video came out very nice. Okay, so you click on that download arrow up, choose original size and click on download, then click on save so that you can save the video to your file. Then you go back to notes, copy the second prompt for letter B. Okay, you copy the second prompt, copy the video prompt, the camera angles, narration, sound effect, everything about letter B. You click on it and copy it, then go back to your Google Flow and also paste it. You just do the same thing that you did on the first letter. Okay, you just have to locate the letter B, long press on it, then double click on animate. Okay, it's going to come out It's going to come down inside that prompt. You see it. Then you click inside that prompt, click on paste. Then you click on that arrow so that it can generate the second video. One thing with Google Flow is that when you are not subscribed, it gives you 2 videos, and each video is going to be 8 seconds. It gives you 2 videos each day. The next day, it the credit restarts again. It gives free credit, and with that free credit you can only generate 2 videos daily. So what in this situation, what you are going to do, you can see that because I'm using free mode, you can see that I've exhausted my credit here. So in this situation, guys, you know how we do it now is either you log out and log in with a new Gmail so that you can generate more videos. You continue doing it like that until you get the number of videos you want, or you simply subscribe. It is not that expensive compared to Grok. A lot of you are subscribed to Grok, so you have to subscribe. But there are other free apps. You can use Chat. I think, yeah, you can use Chat. I think that one gives is it 6 seconds video for each video, and again there is limit on that one too. So the thing is that all these things, to generate a good long video, you need to subscribe. But if you are doing it for just entertainment purposes, then you can use the free apps. So this is our letter B. Let's play the video and see.
B is for ball. B. Ball.
The letter B came out good as well. So you click up there on that arrow, then click on download so that you can download the video to your files. You go back to your notes, copy the prompt for letter C and do the same thing. Copy the prompt for letter D, for letter E, and do the same thing to all of them. Okay, so if you are finished generating your videos, congratulations. Now we need to go back to ChatGPT so that we can get music. This music part is optional if you want to add music. So let's copy the music that ChatGPT gave us so that we can go to Suno AI. You can use Gemini, Google Gemini. Yes, you can use it as well to generate music, but I am using Suno AI. So I don't want it to sing, I just need instrumental. So I'm going to click on instrumental, paste the prompt, then select a few things here and click on create so that I can create my music. If you don't know how to create music with Suno AI, I have made a video on that, on how to create music with Suno AI. It is very easy and it gives you the perfect music. So Suno AI is going to give you about 2 to 4 music. Then you have to play the music, choose the one that you want, and then if you click on that 3 dotted arrows so that you can see download and download the one that you like. So let's play this one. So after downloading the music, you then go to your favorite editing app so that you can bring all the videos together. I am using InShot, so I will go to InShot, click on new video, then import all the videos. Okay, import all the videos, then choose the aspect ratio. I think you can choose 9.16 depending on where you want to post it. Okay, first of all, try to remove that that InShot watermark. If you are using InShot, make sure you remove it. Just click on it and it will play some ads, then it will remove the watermark. Then you can just edit the videos the normal way you edit your videos. Add transition, do cut and join if there is any need. Then click on audio, you bring in the sound. If you want to add sound, you just bring in the sound. Add as much as you want, or just a few sound. You can just click on the volume so that you reduce the volume, because this one they're already singing A is for apple, so you just have to bring the volume down so that they can hear the alphabet songs they are singing. Okay, once you are done, you click on good to check it. So let's play the video and see what we have.
A is for apple. Apple. B is for ball. Ball. C is for cat. C. Cat. D is for dog. Dog. E is for...
So guys, you can see how this video came out perfectly. So once you are done, you click on export and make sure that you are exporting in 1080 pixel. Okay, and then your video is ready. Thank you so much, and please don't forget to drop your question. If you have any question, any comments, kindly drop it in the comment section. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Also turn on the notification bell icon so that whenever I drop a video you will be notified. Thank you for watching. I will see you on my next video.